Good morning, children of class 3. Today in Moral Science, we are going to read chapter 7, Cleanliness. So, in this, we will read about a boy, how he has fallen sick. There is a boy whose name was Ravi. He used to play in mud and sand and made his clothes as well as himself dirty. His mother, she used to advise him that please Ravi, keep yourself clean. Don't play in the mud and sand, but he did not listen to his mother and he continued playing and did not care about the cleanliness. Then one day he was playing with his friend Manoj with the ball. Then the ball fell into the dirty pond of water. So as the ball has fallen down, Ravi had to go and bring the ball because he wanted to play more. So he went inside the pond and he brought the ball with his hands and continued to play with the ball. He did not wash his hands as well as the ball. Then after a while, when it was the time for lunch, then Ravi's mother called him to eat food for lunch. Then he was very hungry. He had been playing continuously, so he was hungry and it was the time for having lunch. So he said goodbye to Manoj and he went home. So when he went home, he sat at the table and he did not wash his hands and he started eating his food. Then a few hours later, Ravi's stomach started to ache and he cried in pain. So Ravi's stomach started to ache, it started paining and he started crying because he was not able to tolerate that pain. So he then began to vomit and got diarrhea. So afterwards, he started vomiting also and he suffered from disease called diarrhea. And he had to rush to the toilet again and again. So diarrhea, what it is? Diarrhea is disease in which a person gets loose motion, the body becomes becomes deficient in water, and water has to get, and the body has to get sufficient water, but it becomes less in that. So now what happened? See, let us proceed till here we have done in the previous class. So Ravi's parents, they were worried about the boy because he was not well. They rushed him to the nearest hospital. The condition was getting worse. So they had to rush to the nearest hospital. They had to take Ravi to the hospital. Then the doctor examined Ravi and gave him an injection. So the doctor, they saw Ravi. Okay. They examined Ravi and gave him injection. Let us see, 1 minute. See here, the doctor, he is examining, he is seeing Ravi, okay, and gave him an injection. So here the doctor is giving injection to Ravi. Then the doctor said that Ravi had become sick because of eating his food with dirty hands. So doctor saw the condition of the boy, he saw him nicely, and then he told that Ravi, why he was sick? Because he ate food with his dirty hands. He did not wash the food. He did not wash his hands and he was eating the food. The bacteria and microbes and other small organisms had entered into his stomach and made him sick. So doctor said that Ravi was eating food, had eaten food with his dirty hands. So in what happened? The germs, okay, the bacteria, the microbes and other organisms which can cause diseases, they have gone into his stomach, and because of that Ravi has become sick. Then the doctor advised Ravi to always wash his hands several times a day, particularly before eating his meals. So what doctor said? Doctor told Ravi that what you should do, Ravi, you should wash your hands, okay, several times in a day. So what will happen? If you will wash your hands, you will not get sick, okay, you will not fall ill. So he said Clean hands stop the spread of germs. And particularly you have to see that when you eat, okay, when you are going to eat, before that wash your hands, so that your hands they be free from any kind of germs, and you will be well. So after a few days of rest, Ravi recovered from his illness. So after taking rest, Ravi had recovered from his illness. Now he was okay, he was ready to go home. Then he had learned his lesson the hard way. So it was very hard it has become hard for him to learn this lesson. If he had followed his mother before only and had kept himself clean, then he would not have to suffer from that condition, from diarrhea. So he had to learn, and when he was not well at that time, he had to get injection also. He started vomiting also. He was crying in pain. So it was very hard for him to go through those situations. So he stopped playing in the mud and always washed his hands before eating his food. From this, what he learned the lesson, that he did not play in the mud. He understood that if I play in the mud, my hands and my clothes, they will become dirty, germs will be there, and always washed his hands. So he used to wash his hands before eating his food. He had become aware of the importance of cleanliness in maintaining one's health. So Ravi, he learned the lesson of importance of cleanliness. That cleanliness is very important for our health. To maintain good health, we must keep ourselves clean. He learned that lesson. So children, it's your duty also that you should keep yourself clean. Okay. So now let us discuss the question answer. So answer the following question. What happened when Ravi and Manoj were playing with the ball? So the answer is, when Manoj and Ravi were playing with the ball suddenly fell into a dirty pond of water. So we know that when Ravi and Manoj, they were playing with the ball had fallen into the dirty pond of water, and then Ravi had gone and brought. So why did Ravi become sick? So Ravi became sick because of eating his food with dirty hands. So Ravi, he had become sick because he did not wash his hands and he started eating the food with his dirty hands. The microbes and small organisms, they have gone inside his stomach and made Ravi sick. So what lesson did Ravi learn? So Ravi learned the importance of cleanliness in maintaining one's health. So Ravi understood that why it is very important to keep ourselves clean. If we want to be in good health, we should keep ourselves clean. So Ravi learned the importance of cleanliness in maintaining one's health. So now children, now we are facing the situation of COVID-19. So children, what you have also to do? So you have to stop germs and you have to stay healthy. So how you can keep yourself healthy? I think everyone knows this. Now you all are very good. You have understood many things. You might be washing hands properly, often with soap and warm water. So use soap and warm water, or simple water also you can use. Okay, and wash your hands for 20 seconds. And afterwards rinse it well. So rinse well means rinse well with water. Take plenty of water and wash your hands with that. After that, dry your hands properly. Then when anyone coughs or sneezes, what should that person do? The person should cover himself. Okay, means his face while he is sneezing or coughing, he should cover his face like this, and then he should cough and sneeze. Or he should use a cloth also like hanky to cough or sneeze. If he is not having hanky, then as this man is doing, okay, through the elbow like this hand, we should use the hand to cough or sneeze, so that the germs, they are not spread in the nearby area. And suppose the person falls sick, then what he should do? He should stay in home so that the other person, they are not affected by that person. Okay, when the person, suppose the person he goes out, he spreads the diseases over there, others will also get sick. So that person should stay at home and try to prevent this disease from spreading. So this we have learned, children. Okay, so all of you stay safe, stay healthy and stop germs. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.